Meaning of Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was an English social reformer and statistician who was best known for her pioneering work in the field of nursing during the Crimean War. She became famous as the Lady with the Lamp due to her habit of making rounds at night to tend to wounded soldiers. Nightingale's efforts helped to improve sanitary conditions in hospitals, and she was a driving force behind the creation of the modern nursing profession. Her legacy continues to inspire people today as an example of selfless service and compassionate care.